Have I got a delicious summer salad for you? It's so easy to make, and the best time is about preparation. Once you've got all your ingredients, you can all put them all together and it makes a delicious summer salad. Are you with me? Come on. So now we're going to need, I've got some chorizo, the kransky, so it's got the cheese and the chorizo with it. No, sorry, it's kransky, not chorizo. The kransky, but it's a cheese one. I've got some red pepper, which is a sweet one, and some red onion. And I've just drizzled a little bit of olive oil on it, and I'm going to put it in my air fryer. Let it cook and toss it a couple of times and then let it cook. That's the base of the meat. So if you don't have the kransky, cheese kransky, you can actually have some salami with it, any type of salami or bacon or pancetta. It doesn't really matter, but not prosciutto. If you're going to do prosciutto, you need to air fry it, cook it, and let it go really crunchy and dry it out, and then just break it on top of it. That's even nice. That was my last one. So my friend has invited me to his house with his partner and Marco, and he said to me, can you please make the salad you made the last time that you came around at our place? And he's really fussy like Marco. He doesn't like a lot, so he doesn't like a lot of change, but I was surprised that when I made the first salad, he actually thought, hey, I really like this. So it's about flavour. You want the flavours to come out, because sometimes a summer salad or a pasta salad can be quite bland. So you need to know how to enhance the flavours. So cooking that up separately, and I've cooked some beautiful fusilli that I brought from Coles, and they absolutely are, look, they're great, really wonderful to make a salad. Do you know why? Because when you put the sauce in with it, it goes into the crevices of this pasta. And that's what makes a great summer salad. And I'm cooking up a little bit of broccoli and beans that I've cut up in little bits. So I'm only blanching them because we don't want them to be too cooked, because when they're too cooked, they're going to break. And then we'll do the next procedure where we make the sauce and we add some cherry tomatoes. I've got some beautiful cherry tomatoes. So these are the cherry tomatoes that I got from Coles, and I thought they're usually called the heirloom, but they're called medley on these ones here, the heirlooms. I used to cook them and make lots of salad when I had the restaurant with these because of the variety of the colours. It's actually like happy, it makes you really happy. And I've got a bit of coleslaw. That's easier for me because I don't have a lot of room in my fridge, living in an apartment. So these ones at Coles, they're only $2. So it's a lot cheaper to get that than having heaps of cabbage and buying them and then you don't use them. So I just get this for $2. It's a really good price. I'm going to put some pesto in the summer salad, which is going to be absolutely delicious. So I brought two types of pesto. Usually I make my own, as you've seen on the other episodes, that how to make Sicilian pesto, how to make pesto genovese. So if you've got pesto genovese with the almonds, that beautiful nutty, but I didn't want to put the almonds because I've got the kransky in there, and that was the protein of the salad. So I brought these yesterday. These ones are at Coles. I got them and they're about $2 something each. Great to have in your fridge. So this one's the sun-dried pesto, and this one is the basil pesto, and I'm going to mix it. So I'm going to make it more of the sun-dried than the actual pesto itself. That gives it that nice tomato full body flavour, but light enough to be able to be like a real nice texture in the summer pasta salad. I forgot to say, with the pasta, when you use the fusilli, make sure that once you've strained the water off it and you've cooked it, that you drizzle some on a flat tray. I'll show you the tray I had. You put the pasta after you've strained it, and then you drizzle some olive oil over it, and you toss that. And you keep tossing it for about 3 or 4 minutes until it's coated and it's cooling down, because pasta still cooks with the steam. So you keep tossing it with the oil after you've drizzled, and then you leave it on the bench, and then you put it into a container, and that way this pasta actually, like this, keeps for a couple of days. You can actually reheat it and make your own sauce up, use it for making a quick pasta. You come home and you think, oh, what am I going to eat? And you want a nice healthy, put some veggies in with it or some protein. Beautiful tuna with this pasta. Oh my God, it's delicious. I just love food. I'm a gourmand. Gourmand. It's a new word that I've learned, and it's a lover of food and wine. And it's created in the 15th century from the word gourmet, which was French, and the word glutton. So they incorporated both those words together and created gourmand. Gourmand. G-O-U-R-M-A-N-D. And it's a lover of food and wine. And that I am. I'm not a connoisseur, I'm a lover of food and wine. And I love to share that with you. So we're going to keep going on with this summer pasta salad and see the next steps. Have a look at this chorizo with the peppers. I wish you could smell the flavours, the pepper and the cheese and the sausage of the Kransky. Keep calling it chorizo, it's Kransky, the same sort of thing. And the onion, the red onion, makes it sweet. Now we're going to make the delicious sauce, the base of how we're going to coat the pasta. And I'm a bit excited because I'm experimenting, and you're the first to see this experiment. But I know it's going to have flavour, because it's all about flavour. With food, it's so important that flavour enters in when you're preparing, and you open up the palate of your mouth and the creative side of your brain, and you start to think, I wonder how that will go, or I wonder what that will do. So it opens up, and when that part opens up, it's like an encyclopedia, a library of encyclopedia ready and waiting to show you a bit about what food's about. We've all got it. We've all got it. We just got to tap into it. So I've got virgin olive oil, sour cream, the pesto, the 2 types of pesto, and some Dijon mustard. I'm going to put about, say, half a cup of virgin olive oil. Two tablespoons of the light sour cream. I need to get another small spoon. I'm going to put half, you know what, maybe 3/4 of this one, of the sun-dried pesto. Or maybe about 1/4 of the pesto. I'm going to see what it looks like. I'm going to stir and I'm going to show you. Yeah, I wanted it a little bit like a nice golden colour. Oh my God, delicious. delicious. This will coat onto the pasta and then we'll add the ingredients and I'll show you. So we're going to add onto the pasta, sorry. That way, beautiful. The chorizo. Look at that, Hannah. Look at the lovely colours. I can't see. A little bit more like that. Perfect. What do you see like that? Oh, it keeps going down. Sorry about that. That's a bit better. I don't like to leave nothing because I think it's all got the flavour. I'll use my hands. There. I'm going to add the heirloom tomatoes that I cut in halves. The broccoli and the beans. I've used half a thing of broccoli and about a handful of beans and cut them up in little bits. Look at the colours. How beautiful these colours. And this is the sauce. I just pile that all into that. I'm going to get a serving spoon. These are my favourite spoons. They're called a serving spoon and you can buy them at house. They're really good. And now we're just going to toss this all together. It looks absolutely delicious. And I'm going this afternoon, so it gives it time for the flavours to set in a lot better. I'm just going to wash my hands, or you can just keep looking at this. Look at that. Beautiful textures and flavour. Oh, I wish you could smell it. I know you're going to end up smelling it, because you're going to make it yourself. And now I'm going to add the coleslaw. I'm not putting a lot because these guys are sticklers, mate. They're really fussy guys. And I know my husband, he doesn't like a lot of salad. He just wants to eat but the salad will give it the crunch. And if you've got a bit of pepitas, they'll even go nicely in that too. I'm going to get some and show you. Pumpkin seeds, pumpkin corn kernels. That in there will really be nicely. So what you need to do first is put them on a tray, a handful, whatever, how much you want. I wouldn't put pine nuts because pine nuts sometimes they're a little bit overrated and they're very, very strong. So they overpower any flavour. So you want things that are going to blend in well. Like, you know, you want it to sit at the table, and you know when you sit all and everyone's at the table and everyone's happy and there's a harmony, that's what you want with food, harmony. So have a look at that, and you can put some of the pumpkin seeds in that. You can add a little bit more coleslaw if you like it a little bit more crunchier, but I wouldn't add anything else to this salad. And there you have it, a scrumptious summer pasta salad. Now this you can keep in the fridge for about 2-3 days and you can eat it, and it's absolutely delicious. You will love it. Have a look, put a little bit closer. Look, the kransky, the tomato, the broccoli, the pesto in it. The sour cream gives it a little bit of nice body. If you like this recipe and you want to know more, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you there. Ciao!